Okay, so we have been up since about 3 again. Come out to the backyard. I'll call it the backyard. This is the back of it. That's our digs there. We come out into this kind of like, James calls it the Bondu or the Bondi or something like that. We stayed out for sunrise. It's the first morning, it's actually looking quite promising. And this is my composition. So I've got this nice choya down here, which I don't know if I can get a little bit closer. Don't want to get too close because as I said before, they jump. And then over there is where the cloud is kicking off. So I'm just keeping an eye on the back of the camera, seeing what that's doing. Focuses on the choya. Oh yeah, nice. We've got the GoPro down there on another little choya, and then Jimbo, wave, is over there, and he's got another little choya and he's doing a little jig. Yeah, he was a bit groggy about an hour and a half ago. He wasn't sure if he was going to stay up for sunrise, but he's pushed on through. We went back in, we had a brew, warmed up a little bit, took a picture of the 2 planets aligning. I can't remember what they are. James will be able to tell you. They're alright. Did that on the big telephoto, but not as good as other people's. But yeah, so again, if the photos are any good, we will show them here. We were just saying we've turned off to go and have a look at Keys View because we've marked it on our notes as possibly good for sunset, and we've just turned down here and we're like, it's a forest of Joshua trees. I'm just going to try and show you over here under James's beard. There's loads of them.
Yeah, and silhouette.
Oh my, absolutely. As far as the eye can see. It really is. Where are we at?
Oh, sorry. We're at Keys View, which is the southern part of Joshua Tree. We went to massive fields of thick Joshua trees, plumptious they were, on the way here. Like Teresa said earlier, like a forest. However, now, if Teresa does a little 180, you get the view of Keys View, which is meant to be fantastic for sunset. Snow-capped mountains in the distance. It's a little bit hazy, but yeah, it's beautiful. However, we're unsure whether to come back here tonight. A, because it's far. B, it's very Death Valley-y.
Yeah, it is.
Which is where we're going next. So
there's a little pathway up there, so you could actually walk up there and get an even better view.
might have a do that in a minute.
Yeah, I might too.
I know it comes from all the cars in LA and things like that. So that's why it said, what's wrong with this picture? It's the haze that comes, that heads from the west to the east with the prevailing winds. And that's why it's so hazy. So that's another reason perhaps that sunset might not be so grand.
Right. Well, would that haze not go at sunset? Would it not have burnt off by then?
I don't know. If it's coming through constantly, then maybe not. Oh, we're going round, are we? Cool.
I don't know. I was just little lizard. Do something, lizard. Little chit chat. Hi. I know you're looking at me. I'm looking at you. Getting quite close to him. Hi, cutie. He's keeping still. I think he's hoping I don't see him.
Oh, right. It's hard to see.
Oh, he's gone.
So they move.
There he is. Budgie.
Right.
Always go. As soon as I move away, he's off. Yeah, I did a little bit of a pano.
A little bit of Joshua action there.
Oh yeah, single Joshua tree.
Coming up. I was thinking for sunrise, but of course it's going to be
Yes,
rubbish.
it is.
Cool.
It was a nice little loop.
That was worth coming for actually.
Yeah.
Quite a long drive.
Yeah, and it didn't help that there was lots of cyclists.
Yeah, it's a big event on today.
Big cycle event, and they're James's favourite
Oh yes.
activity.
Road users
Overtaking cyclists.
with double yellow lines in the middle, like double white lines. Cyclists coming this way and that way.
Yeah, 3 abreast.
But there's an event
Weaving.
on.
Yeah, there is an event on. So, but considering it's a Saturday, we were only saying the park is quite quiet. Not had a problem with parking, no queuing.
We imagined
yet.
it'd be a lot busier trying to find parking.
Yeah, we were fretting because it was a Saturday.
So we thought we're coming early.
Yeah.
Been here a good hour.
Yeah, it's not too hot, it's still manageable.
No, it's fine.
Nice breeze up here.
Pleasant. Cool. Anyway, we're heading
Back
back
at
to
the car. Okay, we have managed to get parked at the Hidden Valley Trail. This is what we came to do sunset the other night, just for a little walk before sunset. But we didn't. We got sidetracked and did something else, didn't we? Down there, I think we went. And then we were like, this doesn't feel right.
Yeah, I think we did park off down there. And there's weddings going on and
There was.
all sorts of weird,
Yeah.
wonderful things.
Yeah,
All very American.
but this is it.
So it's a mile loop, out and back. So let's go do it.
Cool. While we're by ourselves, it's very busy back there. And butterfly? Oh wow, I can see why it's Hidden Valley.
Yeah, lovely.
Alright, next loop. Sorry. Reading.
Let's go the way we're supposed to go
Let's
today.
go the way we're supposed to go today.
Because we were confusing people going, have we gone the wrong way? We're like, no, we've gone the wrong way. It's Barker Dam. We're dumbass Brits. We've gone the wrong way. Oh, what have we done? Can of worms. Oh, fuck, all the way up there.
Oh my god.
Do some lining.
I don't know. I'm scrambling. Going up, fine. It's coming down. I'd be like,
We don't like going there.
no,
I
not
know.
there. No.
Yeah, these have all been moved about, these rocks by earthquakes. So the,
Oh, people, look at them people climbing up there.
oh my goodness,
Rock
don't do
climbers. Wow. Okay.
I used to enjoy it.
Rock climbing.
Yeah,
When did you do that?
oh, with the Air Force,
Yeah.
with the military. Go off to Wales for a week and do adventure kind of stuff, caving and.
That's nice.
It's nice out here. It's dead out there. It's just that top.
That
of
little, yeah, canyon bit.
That's the way. One way in, one way out.
Yes. Defo. Just gonna turn around.
That's, got little
Ouch.
plaques with
Oh, there we go.
the history behind it all.
I'm gonna go front so they can get us both in. Hopefully.
Yes, nice.
Might be a little bit of Archers
Wait a bit.
National Park.
That colour and bun on my back.
That is warm.
It's warmer than yesterday.
Yeah, it is.
10
And
to
it's-
11.
Yeah, I was going to say it's not even midday.
No, we were doing Barker Dam at this time yesterday, and
I know.
you had a.
I was
fleece
cold.
on. Yeah, you were, it was a bit
No,
windy though, wasn't
I
it?
forgot my fleece.
Ah,
Yeah.
it was a bit windy. But today, at the moment, it's not.
There's no wind, which makes it really warm.
Isn't it? It's like your worst
Like
nightmare
Jenga.
game of Jenga. My goodness.
She reminds me a little bit of Gladiator, the film. I don't know why. Sure. Oh, nice little arrow pointing us the correct way. Oh, skiddy. Real skiddy.
glad I put on my thickest t-shirt today.
God, do you know, I would like to come here in the winter. I know we're in spring, but...
July and August must just be.
July, yeah.
It's still
People do it.
It's April the 30th today. Happy anniversary, Mum and Dad.
56 years.
Not less than murder.
You need to turn and say that to the camera.
So, yeah, it's boasting. 25.
Yeah, so imagine...
As Teresa just pointed out to me off camera, we're inside this sort of cocoon of rocks, so it's like an oven.
It is like an oven.
It's like an animal. I don't know.
Oh yeah, it looks like a ball.
Like a cow or
yeah.
or something.
Survival.
My turn to vlog. Sorry, just elbow Teresa in the face while she was drinking her water. Some beautiful red flowers down there, and look up there, there's people. There's rock climbers. Blue helmet, white shirt, and someone else. Yeah. But yeah, it's fantastic. Absolutely beautiful. I just got told and pointed to, which means I have to come down here. Look at these pretty red flowers. Lovely. Won't want to fall in there though. They are nice. And there's some more budding over here in the shade. They're nice. Okay, let's give Teresa a water back. Jim's just made a discovery and he's nicknamed it the brown fingernail. Okay, check it out. Top of that peak there.
It looks like a toenail.
It does, alright then. But fingernail, brown, sounds better. There you go, very exciting.
Have we just named that, or was it
Yes.
a real thing?
No, we just named it.
named it?
We patented that.
Cool. What's yours?
So, brown fingernail. There you go. Enjoy. There's your car park down there.
One of the biggest car parks here, I think.
Yeah. A lovely view, as Trish just pointed out, of the valley below.
Yeah.
Very nice. Okay, we're nearly back at the car park, so we'll sign off from Hidden Valley.
Yeah.
Cheers.
We've been out. We're still in Joshua Tree. Last morning here, and came out. What did we set our alarms for? 2 a.m.
We left the house at 2:30.
2:30.
2:30.
2:30, and drove in. Got lots of Milky Way. Tried my hand at a pano, so we'll see if that's any good. And then we're waiting for sunrise, but I think because we're quite low down, it's taking a while.
Yeah. It's past 6 now. It should have risen at 5:55ish.
Yeah, but as you can see, I'm going to swivel around.
Top tip.
Just peeking. Oh, Jamie's top tip.
Jimbo's top tip. If you go out in the middle of the night, it's pitch dark, and you want to do Milky Way, so 20 to 25 second long exposures, take a tripod.
Don't forget your tripod.
It's no good on the kitchen floor.
He's over it now, but we had a bit of a grumpy half an hour.
It wasn't, no, it was about 5 minutes. I adjusted.
You did.
And I
You used
resurfaced.
a few different tools to get still. Borrowed my tripod once when I was done.
But yeah, I was using the car bonnet, curbs, rucksacks.
Camera pack.
Yeah.
You tried handheld, didn't you?
Yeah, you can see the glow. Just
You can see the glow actually. Yeah, swivel around now. There's the car on my camera. But yeah, you can just see the glow lighting up the little mountain behind us. James is waiting around to see if he can get a sun star. Oh yeah, it's lighting up though. It's really nice. Oh, I think it's coming up. anyway, we're heading now. Going back, trying to get a couple of hours sleep. Checking out the digs at about 11. And then driving up to... Where are we driving to?
Beatty, Nevada.
And for the British people, Beatty.
BC, Nevada.
But it is pronounced Beatty.
Beatty.
Beatty. And there's burros, donkeys that roam the streets there apparently. It's just north of Death Valley, so that's our next 4 nights in Death Valley. We've got a nice little log cabin with a fire pit and a grill. We can do some barbecuing.
Some Milky Way.
Do some
Tripod.
Milky Way with a tripod. So yeah, we've got a little list of things to tick off in Death Valley next. So I think that is Joshua Tree is a wrap.
Yes, ma'am.
It is a wrap. Thanks for watching.